Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Lattice Semiconductor? This is ticker LSCC. Lattice is flagging back to the 21-day exponential period moving average, a move the stock has done time and time again. The stock tends to get extended above the 8-day and then pulls back to the moving averages, and that ends up being a pretty good buy opportunity. You can see by these green E boxes, the stock is doing well financially, keeps printing positive earnings reports. Their next earnings report isn't coming out till August, so we're clear there. But we do have NVIDIA earnings, which could impact the entire semiconductor index tomorrow. So I want to watch for a potential positive reaction here on Lattice following NVIDIA's earnings and look for a move out of this short-term flag pattern. And again, you can see the stock pulls back to the moving averages, tends to find support, whether it's at the 21-day or down here near the 50-day moving average. And then once it breaks out of that consolidation, the trade is back on. And so I would look for Lattice to take out today's intraday high at around 126 tomorrow, putting a stop down around 116. So a bit of a wide stop to start, but if the trade starts to work in your favor, I think you want to move that stop up to break even as soon as possible. So that's just one of many setups we're looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that video is helpful. My name is Scott McGregor at Scott Trades on Twitter. I'll see you next time.